Kajingpen jongki khynnah skul Commission Upper Primary School Mawryngkneng halor kajingile thma hakarkel hakasngi Republic Day Hapolo kalapen ya mynsiem jong Director General of Police kajela Dr. LR Bishnoi habakali halor kene ka drill ka balapen dekni ki khynnah skul halor kajingchop ya kathma karkel nakaleng DGP Dr. LR Bishnoi ulayero yakini ki khynnah ki balai simbanta kebadan lang bat kenthei bat shenrang ulong ru banagaliang katnat pulit kan long kabat don bak pan leit jngoh ya kane ka skul bat ban ya kandu ya kinong hikai kiba hikai ha kane ka skul ulong ru ba katnat pulit kan long kabat don bak ban leit shakwei ki skul ru kumban ai mynsiem ya ki khynnah bat kinong hikai ba kinang ai jing hikai shu ya ki khynnah ha kalanti kabadai
performed drill very nicely, depicting the victory at Kargil, and the group was composed of both boys and girls. Their drill was really amazingly efficient. We all were impressed with their drills, and whoever has conceived this idea, he also deserves a huge applause from everyone. I love to visit that school and see the working of the school classes and other. It will be pleasure for me to visit and interact with the school students. Yes, I agree with you. I fully agree with you. All the schools they should try to motivate their students to do such kinds of patriotic drills, which will definitely inspire them to join police and armed forces. They are our future soldiers. After seeing their performance, I can very well say that they are the future soldiers of India. We will definitely love to visit all the schools in the Shillongs and the nearby areas, and wherever and whenever the time permits, we love to take our Mega Shakti units to demonstrate before the students, to motivate them, to inspire them, so that more and more school students they can participate in such patriotic drills. Kargil.